Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Don't mind the water in the background. I'm just kind of in the shower right now, and I wanted to make this video because we actually just broke a small little uptrend that we had going on right here. Let me get this thing going. Right, small little uptrend we had going on. I think we're going to 34.2 probably sometime today. More than likely 33K, maybe sometime today, tomorrow. I think right now it does look like we are going to be closing somewhat of a violent close on the 4 hour. You see that? Possibly maybe today, like in the afternoon, around 4 o'clock, between 4 o'clock and 8 o'clock. I don't know. Things don't look good, right? I'm expecting Bitcoin to go down to 33K possibly today. And again, my initial forecast is still kind of going on. I still think by January 27th, as of now, I think the forecast can definitely hit like around 33K, but by or within January 27th. But I mean, the 4 hour looks really ugly right now. I'm gonna be completely honest. It looks like we're gonna be around this section again, so around that area. The same thing looks like it's gonna happen again. You might see a similar drop from here to here, same thing here, to down to possibly like 30. No, I would say actually lower, because violent closes tend to be pretty bad. I mean, we have a violent close sort of right there. I don't know if I have any other instances, but it doesn't look good. And I think we'll probably close a bearish violent close within sometime today. Like I said, maybe within a couple of hours, sometime between 4 o'clock, 8 o'clock, maybe midnight, before midnight today, possibly. I'm expecting this little trigger here to go into a bear cycle. We are pretty close. We are under the 30 mark for the stochastic, so I would consider this a violent close if we do close bearish. Not looking good. If I had to take a quick guess, I'd say probably 33 to 30K sometime by midnight tonight. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.